Whoa.
Grace, what don't we eat?
Pigeon.
We don't eat pigeons.
No, done.
You're not done?
Joshy, what do you want to eat? Meat? Joshy, tell Anya. What do you want? Meat?
No,
now he wants candy.
now he wants mobile.
What's a niblet?
I don't know what mobile is. Joshua, stop that.
What?
Joshy,
Joshy, that's
Joshua.
gonna fall down and give you an owie. He's like the guys with the vending machine.
Joshua, you know there are 300 deaths a year due to vending machine accidents where people, I'm serious, where people push vending machines and they fall over and hurt them. Buddy, no, he is serious.
Joshy, come on. You're gonna get an owie. Say, tell the camera you want meat. Do you want meat?
No.
What do you want?
You want some meat? Say meat.
No.
Done. No done?
No.
What do you want to do, Joshua?
Wanna play football? Wanna play football?
Uh-huh.
No.
No.
Done. Done.
No, done.
No done. What are you going to do now?
Don't you push on that. You're gonna get hurt.
Do you want to jump in there? No.
Joshua. You are so hyper.
Nobody ground in restaurants.
All right, Gracie, finish up your burrito. We gotta get going. I gotta go see this house.
Here, throw that to me, buddy.
Oh, throw it to Anya. Throw.
Woo! Thank you. Good job, buddy.